Good morning. And welcome back. The house is quiet. The sun is just beginning to rise. This is my favorite time of day.
It is quiet. Too quiet. The food bowl is not full yet.
Before the day gets busy, I have a small ritual. It is my coffee ritual. It helps me wake up slowly. Do you want to make coffee with me?
The human is talking about the brown bean water again. I will observe closely.
Okay. Let's begin. First things first. We need the coffee beans. I like to use whole beans, not the coffee that is already ground. When you grind them fresh, the aroma is much better.
Aroma. A fine word for...
I keep the beans in an airtight container. It keeps them fresh. Listen to the sound they make. It's a nice sound. Now I need to measure the beans. I use this little scoop. 1 scoop and 2 scoops. That is the perfect amount for me.
He counts them so carefully, as if they are tiny, magic rocks.
The next step is the grinder. This machine will grind the beans into small pieces. It can be a little loud. Are you ready, Eddie?
I am never ready for the loud monster.
Okay. Just for a few seconds. Here we go. And we are done. That was not so bad. Now, for the best part. I open the grinder. And the smell is wonderful. It is rich and deep and warm.
It is a very strong smell. It smells like the earth after rain.
That is a nice way to describe it, Eddie. Now we need a filter. I place the paper filter inside the dripper. And I add the ground coffee. It looks like dark, rich soil. Our coffee is ready for the water. I heat the water in a special kettle. It has a long, curved neck. This is called a gooseneck kettle. It helps me pour the water slowly and carefully. The water should be hot, but not boiling. If it's too hot, it can burn the coffee.
He is very serious about his bean water.
This next part requires patience. It is the most important step. I start to pour the water very slowly. I pour in a small circle, just enough to wet all the coffee grounds. This is called the bloom. You can see little bubbles appear. And the aroma gets even stronger.
I can smell it from here. It is not bacon, but it is interesting.
I wait for about 30 seconds. Now, I continue to pour. Slowly and steadily. I keep pouring in a gentle circle. The coffee begins to drip into my mug below. Drip, drip, drip. It is a very relaxing sound.
Drip, drip, drip. Is it raining snacks? No.
We are almost finished. Just a little more water. There. The mug is full. The kitchen is filled with the smell of coffee. And now, we wait. Well, I wait.
I am also waiting. For breakfast?
I remove the dripper. Look at this lovely, dark coffee. A little bit of steam is rising from the cup. I hold the mug in my hands. It is warm. It feels good.
His face looks calm now. The magic is working.
I take the first sip. Ah! That is perfect. It is smooth and flavorful. Not too bitter. This quiet moment is why I do this every morning. It is a simple thing, but it brings me a lot of joy. This whole process is done step by step. Step by step is a great phrase in English. It means you do things in a sequence. One thing, and then the next thing. You don't rush. First, I measured the beans. That was step 1. Next, I ground the beans. Step 2. Then I poured the water. Step 3.
Step by step. I understand. First I sit. Next I look cute. Then I get a treat.
Exactly, Eddie. That is a perfect example. Learning English is also a step-by-step process. You learn one word, then another word. You listen to one episode, then the next. Be patient with yourself. Enjoy the ritual of learning.
A very wise ritual.
Let's review some words from our coffee ritual. Ritual. Aroma. Grinder. To pour. And to drip. And our phrase, step by step. Thank you for sharing this coffee with me. It was nice to have your company. I hope you have a wonderful day. We will see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, friends. May your day be filled with interesting smells